Hello everybody, welcome to ATC Thursday. I'm going to do another ATC with you today. We're going to be using some clay shapes, stars and the moons from a mould I have. And I'm going to be using some distress inks in Wild Honey and Squeeze Lemonade. And I'm going to use these to do the to colour these pieces. So this is the Squeeze Lemonade. I'm just going to wipe off my blending tool and touch it over with a bit of the Wild Honey. I think I'll use the Wild Honey on the stars. And I'm going to use the Squeeze Lemonade on the top of this one, just to give it some definition. Okay, so I've got my white piece of cardstock. I have a stencil here with dots, and I'm going to use the Squeeze Lemonade. I'm going to go over the stencil. Then clean off any excess, and then go into the Wild Honey, and I've got a star stencil. Okay, and then using the Wild Honey, I'm going to go around the edges. And I've got some of this kind of almost honeycomb fabric, and I'm going to attach that to the back of one of these stars so it looks like it's shooting through space. And I'm going to hot glue it down onto my ATC. I'm going to do the same with the moon. And the other star. Now let's think about a sentiment using the Tim Holtz. Using the Tim Holtz Big Chat. So what would work? Dreamer. On this one I'm going to use the one that says Journey. Okay, so let's glue this to the back. My ATC base. Put a dab of glue on the star so I can stick this down. And there we have two ATCs using the stencil and some air dry clay shapes from a mould. Thank you very much for joining me, and you'll see me again soon. Take care now.